So this is my 2002 Honda cr250r. Done a little bit of work to it, but the motor is basically stock. Has a 10-ounce flywheel weight. Has a suspension set up for my weight. All Race Tech V-Force reeds. It's not very clean right now, but I gotta run triple gasket because the flywheel weight sticks out quite a bit and it'll rub. Hammerhead shifter, Excel rims, just normal stuff. FMF pipe. Has the updated front fender. The silencer that's on it is actually a custom-made shorty, cut from the stock. Changed around internals a little bit. It's really loud, but it makes good power. But, still got the stock pegs. They kind of suck, but it's not too bad.